What's up guys, doing a really quick before and after video on taillight tint for the C8. Went with the Paragon kit for all arounds. The only thing I'm not putting right now is this kind of check mark right here. It's going to leave this, but as you can see, this kit comes with a bunch of pieces, so we're blacking out the insides, these side markers right here, and like I said, I'm leaving the red check for now. So I'll show you guys a before and after. I'll turn the car on, show you what the lighting looks like even through the tint. You can kind of compare both sides, and I'll show you at the end what it looks like once both sides are blacked out. Let's get to it. All done with this side. You can see completely blacked out the insides as well. Alright guys, here's the final look. You can see it's really dark. This is the dark tint. Also comes in smoke if you want it a little lighter. I want it as dark as possible, so this is perfect. I think it matches the car really well. So super easy to put on the car. It's about 30 minutes. If you can place a sticker, you can do this yourself. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments. Otherwise, see you guys next time.